say the tracking will be there for every year. Okay. So what will be the impact on it?
Doesn't matter next year, as normally we do regrouping, etc., reclassification every year. That is a part of the normal exercise. Doesn't matter, the items will remain the same, and if the new items are there, then you can tag it with the new item, doesn't matter. So classification, change in classification won't make any difference, because it will probably you are regrouping it with another item, but item has to be done, tagging has to be done with the item only, right? Then once we are through with this, we can go to the schedules. Now I'll practically tell you the problem of that share application money also. And now one thing more we'll have to do, we'll have to create the schedules for each item. Okay, this way you can make the schedules. Once you make the schedule, and you can see the schedules are red. They are in red because we have tagged the amounts in the balance sheet. We have not tagged the schedules. That is why they are red. Now let us go to the schedule. Let us do for share premium first. Now I'll close this. Reserves and surplus. I'll open reserves and surplus. I can right click it and expand all. The reserves and surplus entire details are coming here. Now I wish to go to share premium. Now we need to know what it is called here. Share premium, they call securities premium here. So let me search it. Securities premium. Securities premium I have come to. This is the beginning balance. This has to be tagged with the beginning. All these details have to be tagged. All the detailing that you have to done have to be done here also. So this is the opening balance. This is come. Amount received during the year. Additions. Then profit and loss account. Search it. Profit and loss account beginning balance I can search. Takes me there and I can make it. This is come. Amount transferred. Profit and loss account. Additions during the year. So now the total I think tallies 5798,836, and if we see reserve and surplus, you can see is green because we have entered the information of the schedule also, and in the balance sheet item also we have done that. The other schedules are still red. Another one, a little complicated one, let us take, that is share capital. Now we have this. Paid up share capital. I have to tag it with the paid up share capital. This one. Paid up share capital. Now the share application money, which we are all showing with in share holders capital and share capital, right? What is to be done? Taxonomy में तो इसका tag ही नहीं है उधर schedule में. What is to be done? Go back to the balance sheet. That is why I said that you have, please make balance sheet as per taxonomy now. I go to the balance sheet. I go to, again let me expand the balance sheet. Equity share application money pending allotment. The share application money is there, I'll have to tag it here, right? But paid up share capital is still red. That is a problem because it is not telling. I'll have to change it. it will have to be 59 25 000. Okay. Then also I'll have to make change here, which is 35 67 000. This one enter, and now it is green. This is how all this tagging will be done of the balance sheet, profit and loss account, etc. Then, yeah, please.
How you will tag the notes to the schedules?
Yes, that was the next step I was going to take. Before that, another important thing, fixed asset schedule. When we prepare it in the normal way, doesn't make any difference. We make it in the normal way, doesn't matter. But for computer, just try and understand. It is difficult for the computer to understand in the format it is prepared. वहाँ horizontal भी है, vertical भी है, दोनों चीजें हैं. Horizontal भी है, vertical भी है. It is difficult for the computer to understand. That is why for each item like furniture and fixture, जो information हम horizontally देते हैं, that will have to be given vertically. That is the difference, and वहाँ आपको थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ सकती है. That is why this template has been designed for you. And let's say we have already prepared it in Excel. This fixed asset schedule is already there. Just copy this. It should be in this format only. Generally it is prepared in this format. Even if it is not in this format, we have to change it to this format, and we will go to the our software and we paste it. As simple as that. Because otherwise, if we had not done this, there could have been problems in showing this information. And what will we do? Here we will select the tag, balance sheet. Here like building,